Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Stein.
And Mr. Fletcher, good morning.
And we are here with you on the last Monday at Ballinger Creek for 2020.
Wow, that's so hard to believe. We've come so far since the beginning of September. It is hard to believe that we are ready to enter the year 2021.
It sure has been an incredible year. And boys and girls, we are so proud of all your hard work, all the learning that you've done virtually, and your teachers have been amazing. So one of the best parts of the holidays is showing our gratitude and our appreciation for important people in our lives. And we've planned some fun things for you to hopefully enjoy some time with our Ballinger Creek family. We'll kick things off on Tuesday with a special chorus concert. At 9:30, we will host 2nd and 3rd grade. At 10:30, we will host pre-KK and 1. And at 1 o'clock, we will have grades 4 and 5. And you will not want to miss this year's concert. We have some wonderful, our virtual chorus kids will be performing. We have some special guests and some surprise videos.
I can't wait. I can't wait to hear all the amazing voices and that little secret that we have coming. I think the little surprise everybody's going to enjoy. And last but not least, we also have a wonderful thing occurring on Wednesday. We are welcoming back Joe Romano. He does some amazing magic tricks, and he is so fun for everyone. We're going to have two. We're going to have the first session for kindergartners through 2nd grade. They're going to be at 1 o'clock that afternoon, and at 2 o'clock, it will be our 3rd through 5th graders. And I can't wait to see all the excitement. It is always a fun time and something you do not want to miss.
And Wednesday is school-wide pajama day. So what's better than catching a Joe Romano show from the comfort of your own home in your festive holiday PJs?
Sounds good to me.
It is certainly going to be a wonderful week and something well-deserved for all of our Ballinger Creek students and staff. We wish you a wonderful day, and we'll see you again tomorrow.